Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. iPhone 14 series has been launched and is becoming quite popular. This year you also have 14 Plus with a 6.7-inch display. If you have decided to get it, the second most important thing is which color to choose from, as it comes in variety of colors. The new this year is purple and blue. Let's see in this video all the color options for 14 and 14 Plus models and find out which one is the best for you. So let's start the video, but before I start, starting with the blue color, it's a very subtle light blue color. In terms of design, it's a familiar design with glass back and slightly bigger camera sensor this year. Being a glass back, it does attract a lot of fingerprints. From the front also is the same design with the last year's processor. Product red is exactly like last year's iPhone. A slightly loud color and definitely an eye-catcher. Starlight always looks neat and classic color. It's also similar to last year's but still a popular color choice of many. The all-new purple is a fresh new color and looks stunning. A very subtle purple color. In fact, for a moment I thought I was holding a white color. A great addition by Apple. Midnight is exactly similar to last year's Midnight, and being a classic dark color, it shows fingerprints more than any other color. But there is one advantage, that it will hide any small scratches more than the other colors. So that's it for this color comparison, guys. Please let me know in the comments below which color did you like the most. You do get some variety of cases offered by Apple, but in case you have Apple Care Plus, you can just use your iPhone without any case as they are fully protected. So that's all for this video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. See you all soon in my next video. Till then, goodbye, peace and blessings.